Morning. So I'm having a little play with my ramp circuit just to see what it looks like on an oscilloscope. Here's my little board. That's my little toy tin can. Nice little bit of board with a 20x4 LCD. Let's have a look at the ramp. So we're 1 volt. Let's zoom in a bit so you all can see. So that's 1 volt. 2, 3, 4. I can count. 9 volts. Just bring that down smudgings. So what's that? 9.28 volts. 9 volts going in. And that's my little toy tin enclosure. But that is a wicked ramp. That is sweet. Anyway, bye bye.